Hi guys, today I received this Union City laptop stand for viewing purposes, and I think it's a really nice stand because first of all it's from metal and it has this amazing silver matte finish which I quite like. You just put it in the table, open it like this and like this, okay? So now you have your stand ready and you can take your laptop, place it here and fix it so you can see better and work better also. So you can now be working like this, have a lot of more space, and if you want to show something in your laptop to one of your coworkers, you just turn it like this to show everyone, because it has 360 degrees of rotation, which is quite nice. In this part it has some non-slip patches, also here in this part, the back side, so it won't slip or anything. And it's really nice, really practical. And now you can work better and adjust your laptop how you want to be working like this, even like this if you like to be more extended. So yeah, it's really nice, very easy to use, and if you are going to take it somewhere, it's very slim, so it doesn't take that much of a space. As you can see, you can take it with you